Hi, this is Tim with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over what is left in the air in your home after a fire. Even after the flames are out, harmful contaminants remain in the air, posing serious health risks. Proper fire damage restoration, smoke damage cleanup, and soot removal are essential to ensure a safe environment. Common airborne contaminants, smoke and soot particles. Fine particles can linger in the air, causing respiratory problems. Effective cleanup is necessary to remove them from surfaces and ventilation systems. Volatile organic compounds, VOCs. Released from burned plastics, carpets, and furniture, VOCs can cause dizziness, headaches, and long-term health issues. Air quality testing helps detect these hazards. Carbon monoxide, colorless, odorless, and toxic gas produced by fires. Proper ventilation and professional restoration remove CO from your home. Mold spores. Water used to extinguish fires increases humidity, creating an environment for mold growth. Dehumidification and a thorough drying prevent mold from spreading and having mold spores in the air. Restoring air quality. First, deodorizing and sanitizing. Professional techniques eliminate lingering smoke odors and toxic residues, such as hydroxyl machines. Emergency fire restoration services. Specialists such as PDQ assess air quality, clean affected areas, and ensure safe reoccupation. And fire and water damage repair. Addressing both fire and water damage is critical for recovery in order to return the home to be inhabitable. To conclude, fires leave behind dangerous contaminants that must be properly managed. At PDQ, we provide expert fire and water damage restoration across North Jersey. Please give us a call today.